Welcome to Ask Swagelok. I'm Craig Gifford, here again with Chuck Hayes, who is Swagelok's Global Technical Lead for Clean Energy. And we've been discussing the differences in designing fluid systems for hydrogen applications versus oil and gas applications. So Chuck, let's talk today about components. Why do hydrogen fluid systems require different components than oil and gas systems?
Well, to start with, Craig, it's really simple. If you look at a big oil and gas rig, everything on that rig is usually made out of pipe. So very large diameters, big flange ends on them that are bolted together. That's how it's all put together. In hydrogen, we're typically using smaller components to move that small molecule gas around. And we use tubing. So tubing is dramatically different. We need to use different types of fittings. So typically we use tube fittings, and Swagelok tube fitting is a great option for that, to hold in that small molecule gas. But at the end, what ends up happening too is you end up having a medium pressure. So if you get above 10,000 PSI or 700 bar, you typically go up to what's called a cone and thread fitting. It's made out of a piece of tubing, and that there's a lot of manipulation done to it. In the end, though, that fitting can leak when you have a small molecule gas. It's really susceptible to things like vibration or movement due to thermal changes. So it's not the best choice. So in the end, we think the Swagelok tube fitting is a much, much better solution. And we have a lot of discussions talking about the comparison between that cone and thread technology and the Swagelok technology available on the Swagelok website as we talk about choosing components. So that's a great place to learn more.
Well, perfect. Well, thank you, Chuck.
Sure.
And thank you for joining us at Ask Swagelok.